Hi there. Word on the street is you are an incredibly generous person who's always looking for ways to make a significant difference in the lives of others. We've also heard that you're pretty smart. So I know you don't have a lot of time, but do you have a minute for a pop quiz? I promise it's really simple. It's a charity quiz. I'm going to give you 2 scenarios and you decide which of them is an example of charity. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. In scenario number 1, a local organization hosts a community cookout every other week for food insecure members of their community. Through the generosity of their donors, they're able to provide a high-quality meal for approximately 50 vulnerable men, women, and children. In scenario number 2, an organization works to build relationships with individuals that engage in risky behaviors to meet their most basic needs. When a person experiences a traumatic event, such as being incarcerated, their first step is often to reach out to a close, trusted relationship. The staff and volunteers of this organization are often the only reliable relationship for many in this community. When they see their friends in need of help, they're there to offer a meal, talk through the next steps, or just be emotional support. So here's the question again. Which of these scenarios would you consider charity? If you're like us, your answer was both. To us at Comprehensive Community Services, both scenarios carry equal weight and are deserving of our time and resources. The cookout provides the space to build trust and forge authentic two-way relationships while meeting a real need of the community. Once the relationships are established, the harder work of increasing motivation and reassessing goals begins. This hard work isn't possible without both cookouts and conversations. The hard work is also impossible without you. We know you're incredibly busy, but there are still ways that you can make a substantial difference in your community. Want to learn more? Would you like to partner with us? Visit our website at www.ccsatlanta.org.